In this video, we'll demonstrate how to clear RAM on your Samsung smartphone. Let's dive straight in. Checking the memory usage of the apps, then force stopping them should do the trick. Open the Settings app on your Samsung smartphone, scroll down and navigate to About Phone. Tap on Software Information, and then quickly tap on the build number for 7 times in a row. Then enter your PIN to enable developer mode. Now open the Settings app again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. Here, click on Memory, and then tap on the drop-down arrow to select the relevant memory usage duration. Once selected, tap on Memory Usage and take note of the apps with the most memory usage. After checking it thoroughly, go back to Settings, head to Apps, and tap on the relevant app. Finally, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner and confirm your decision by tapping on OK. Follow similar steps for all the apps with the most memory usage. Lastly, remember to disable the Developer Options section by opening the Settings app, going to Developer Options, and turning off the toggle. This video will help you clear RAM on your Samsung device. For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these videos for additional tech enjoyment.